Hello and welcome to IGCSE Sudarshan Studio. This is the studio where we are going to see some of the past papers and also a pretty good explanation over it and how to solve this paper. So as you all know that here we are going to solve today's Cambridge Lower Secondary Progression Test, a specimen paper of 2025 stage 9, that is for grade 8. Basically this is for grade 8, those who are writing checkpoint examination stage 9 science paper 1. So before moving to this, let's see the instructions here. As you can check out these instructions, read carefully. So I'll just write here IGCSE Sudarshan Studio and grade 8. Today's date is 2025, that is what we have. So we are doing this on 6th of April 2025. There we go, and let's check out. So I hope you have seen these instructions. Go through the instructions very properly, students, and very important thing is it's only for 45 minutes and marks is 50. So the total marks of this paper is 50, weightage as you can see, and the duration is 45 minutes. Very important, no additional materials are needed, neither they will provide you. You have to answer all the questions, and very important thing is show your calculation in the question paper. Write your answers in the space provided. Fine, all the number of marks will be actually shown here in the bracket. So let's see, the first question is what? Okay, so here we see puffins are birds, and during the winter puffins live at sea. Puffin return to land to lay their eggs. So here puffin feeds on fish that lives in sea water. Fine, this sea water is very cold. If the temperature of the sea water increases, the fish moves away. That means the fish will migrate to the different location when the temperature increases. Predict what happens to the population of puffins if the temperature of the sea water increase. So if the temperature increases, as we know, prediction will be it's related to its population, right? So this is the keyword. Prediction related to keyword will be decreasing. So puffin population decreases. Now explanation here why it is decreasing. We can say that their food low or less food supply must be one of the important reason, right? Because as the temperature increases, the fishes are migrating. So basically here puffins population will decrease. Okay, that's for 2 marks. One is for prediction and 1 marks is for your explanation. Fine, next move to the next question. Human introduce a predator, that means a new organism is there in their habitat, to the area where the puffins lay their eggs. So wherever the puffins are laying their egg, a new predator is introduced. Okay, a foreign or alien is introduced here. Now explain the effect of introducing these predator on the population of puffin. Again we know that they are asking you here population of puffin. Now whenever a new predator which is going to rely on puffin or puffin's egg here, so what will happen to the puffin? Of course in the end what happens, the predator will eat the puffin, so population of puffin will be, of course it will decrease. So here effect of introducing the new predator will be decreasing the puffin's population due to what? Due to the predator. Okay, due to predator consuming their eggs. Fine, so this is what the effect will be. So we have seen the first question, which is related to our biology, and it is total marks. You can see here 2 plus 1, it is for 3. So bio we got 3 marks. Okay, next, before moving to the second question related to our chemistry, please like, subscribe the channel, and we'll see most of the past papers, their solution, their explanation, as well as scientists relate to the particular topic. So I hope you will have a good time till this. Let's see the second question also we can solve, right? What do you say? Shall we move to the second question? Okay, so we know this is from our periodic table. Now do remember, periodic table will be there in the question paper. It will be attached, right? So first thing, it will be attached at the end of the question paper. You will see a periodic table. Okay, and that periodic table is very important because most of the answers are there in your progression test paper or in your checkpoint paper. So just look for the hint there. My suggestion would be just check out the hints. So look at the electronic structure here of an atom, of the atoms of some elements, like here A to E they have given, right? A has an electronic configuration 2 7, B has 2 8 7, C has 2 and 4, D has only 2, E has 2 8 8 2. Now check out the periodic table. In periodic table, on the vertical side you have periods. Okay, group will be on your horizontal side. Fine. So 7 period, 8 groups. If you're still confused, no need of remembering all this, and still if you're getting confused, you can just flip to the last page and I'll show you the result here. As you can see, group is on this side, 1 to 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and these are your periods. 1, that's hydrogen here, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. I hope you got it. So basically they are giving you electronic configuration from this periodic table. Mostly you can focus on this part, 1 2 3 4 of the period. Most of your checkpoint questions will be within this limit, 4 to 8 on this side of a group. Okay, so periodic table is very important. Okay, let's back to our second question and let me change it. Fine. Okay, so there you go. Now how the total marks for our chemistry is 4, 1 for each. So now let's solve the first one. As you can see, write letters to answer the questions about these elements. You may use this letter at once. That means you can use it for one time, more than one, or not at all. Which element in the period 4 of the periodic table? Which element is in period 4? As you can see here, which one will be there? This has 2 period, 3 2 1, and this is what we have in 4. Okay, period 4 of the periodic table is E. Which element in the group 4 of the periodic table? So we are looking on group 4. Okay, so keep the periodic table beside you, check out this, and the answer will be C. Group 4 will have in the end, last orbit will always have 4 electrons here. Easy to find out, periodic table, easy to do. Just remember the concepts here. Okay, group 4, that means outer shell should have 4 electrons. Group 7, outer shell should have either, this one can be the option, both A and B, 7 and 7 electrons here. Now which two elements are in the same group of the periodic table? Now see the same group they are asking again. Okay, now as you can see, 2 and 7 both are in the same, outer orbital is having 7 and 7 electrons, so you can write A and B. Which two elements in the same period of the periodic table? So in 2 elements are in the same periodic table here, you can see A, and the answer will be C. A and C. Now for all the viewers here, those who are listening or those who are watching the video, tell me why I wrote here A and C in the comment box, in the chat box. So, okay, so if you are till here question 2, Please like, support the channel, and I'll see you in the third question of this video. Okay, so see you till then. Take care. Goodbye. Enjoy your exam, enjoy your friends and your family. Till then, have a great day and a great time.